1991 Cadillac Brougham here at Unique Specialty and Classics. And listen to this, clean Carfax. Actually a Virginia or California vehicle its entire life, between those two states. Actual mile car, no accidents indicated. 37,830 is all in this one at the moment. 5-liter V8 power underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, of course, nicely loaded. Your power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. It has been converted to the 134A2. As you can see, the chrome and the bright work. Looking good up front. Paint has a nice shine to it. White exterior with a white vinyl top. Maroon leather interior, and we're going to check that out in a little bit. But first, if you want to see the undersides, which I suggest, look at the underside pics. Very clean. Engine bay, interior trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Wire wheel covers, and the key for removing the wheel cover is in the glove box. As you can see, Vogue wheels. Those are 2022 date codes. So tires good. Brakes, there's 85% in the front, 75% in the rear. If you take a look down this passenger side, you can see really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. It does have tinted glass on the sides, so know your local and state laws as far as window tint percentage you can have. I'll get around to these filler panels in a second. Those are still intact, look good. Also vinyl top, not showing much wear at all. All right, again, filler panels, intact. We know that those can start to get brittle with age, and these look pretty good. As well as the chrome in the rear bumper, also in nice shape. There'll be over 100 pictures of this car online on our website, every angle, and like I said, interior, engine bay, undersides, trunk. uniqueclassiccars.com. One of the more popular cars we sell actually is this model, Cadillac, no doubt about that. Great riding cars, and especially with a clean Carfax, only 37,820 miles. Don't think this one will stick around long. All right, driver's side, again, you can see free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. If you like Cadillacs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here. Videos are uploaded daily. Interior, first the maroon or maple, and spotless in this back seat. Plenty of room. Carpeting also in nice shape. Headliner looks good. Listen to that door close. All right, up front, driver's seat power, passenger seat power. Of course, power windows, locks, mirrors. Should say remote mirrors on this one, not necessarily power. All right, seating surface, leather, looking good, not ripped, torn. Really not much wear at all. Split bench seat up front. That armrest will fold up. Tilt column and cruise, of course. This one has a nicely done professional install on a more modern Alpine stereo here. Of course, electronic climate control. Let's go ahead and check the exact miles. There it is, 37,830. Fuel gauge working. No warning lights, anything like that. Engine indicating service, nothing like that. Just the fasten seatbelt light. Stereo is working. Dash looks good. Haven't found any surprises on this one. Let's listen. Sounds as you would expect. Pretty quiet. V8 power. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. I want to get this hood open. Let's check out the engine bay, see how that looks. And stick around to the very end of this video. Jason will take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. I think I know how that's going to be. Pretty smooth. Underside of the hood, nice and clean. Like I said, this car has only been titled in Virginia and California, so it has not seen the Midwest winters. You can tell it hasn't been driven in climate weather. Oh, clean and tidy this engine bay is. Once again, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC has been converted. Blowing cold. What you'd expect with a clean Carfax low mile car. 1991 Cadillac Brougham. Good looking sedan. Number to call 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. Like I said, look at the undersides, how clean this is. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Here we have a 1991 Cadillac Brougham, a four-door luxury automobile with a beautiful red interior and white exterior. This is an automatic on the column for ease of driving. Updated with an Alpine touchscreen stereo in the dash. That is working as it should. The AC is blowing cold in this car. A luxurious ride that you would expect. Nice and smooth and soft. If our digital dash is flickering at all, that's just the camera's frame rate, not the car. The dash looks great. Our fuel gauge, which is digital, shows 3/4 of a tank. The odometer is less than 40,000 miles. You can believe that. And it feels it and looks it. This is a low mile machine. Speedometer also working as it should. We have tilt, power adjustable seat, multiple direction, split bench leather interior, red headliner, all looking good. Everything you do in this car feels right. The brakes are nice and smooth. The power steering works very effectively. Quiet ride, no rattles or squeaks that I can make out. Corners even better than you'd expect for a large Cadillac. And that Cadillac prominent sparkling hood ornament out on the front, letting you know you're driving a Cadillac. Take a look at all the pictures of this 1991 Brougham at UniqueClassicCars.com.